Hey everybody, it's Baron Bruno of Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we are back in Fantasy Island, a master planned, gated private development community just a few minutes from the Nandi International Airport on the western division of Viti Levu, the main island of Fiji. And you can see here we are in a really nice 3-bedroom with a loft, you're going to see, with just massive outdoor space. If you're wanting to entertain, come here with family or friends, or if you're coming out here for a job, this is a great space. Look at that. You have green mountain views here. Great neighborhood. We know it very, very well. Abbas Ali, who's put this development together, has been working on it for over 27 years. And this is really coming out well. There's a new grocery store just around the corner here, walking distance as well. And again, the international airport, all the job generators on the Western Division side here are very, very close by. Here is one of the large bedrooms and ensuite bathrooms with the beautiful tiled shower stall. And look at the tile work in here. So this is available for rent, and if you're interested, find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll get you the pricing details, layout, and all the additional information that you're looking for. But again, some really nice palm tree views, a lot of greenery here. Great place to come and sit and enjoy this tropical breeze. It feels really nice today. It's starting to get a little warm here. Look at the detail. Nice doors, great mahogany storage right here to the right. And again, another large bedroom with ensuite. And again, that just really fabulous tile work. And then shower enclosure, you just walk right in. And of course, they have the ceiling fans and the air conditioners. They have you can see 2 curtains here. So they have the diffusers just here, and then also those blackouts. So it gives you plenty of options, and again, more storage. So, and then this is out to the back area. And we're not done. So this is, again, 3 bedrooms, one to the far, second one here, third one to the left. And all of this open living area. Notice the wood on the ceiling, beautiful fixtures, and of course the ceiling fan. Great kitchen for entertaining. You get some nice bar stools in here, and you're off to the races. And you've got your burner top there, stove, dishwasher. Just need to put a new fridge in there, and of course a lot of empty wine bottles. You know, a lot of full wine bottles should be going up there. And of course you have the recessed lighting on the ceiling, as well as full laundry room and a great half bath. So when you're entertaining, half bath out there, and you actually have another door access outside there. And then again, double utility sink, always really useful. And here, if you're not familiar, the homemade Fijian brooms. These are really amazing. You'll never go back to the artificial fake stuff once you've used these. And walk with me now. We're gonna go upstairs, and this is a fun loft area. So if you have kids or just wanna get away, look at this. Your own little private area here. This could be a man cave, it could be a home office, perfect playroom for the kids. Notice the wood floors. And again, there's your lounger just waiting for you. No neighbors next door, which is awesome. So got a lot of privacy, and you can see the waterway there, just there. That is part of the waterways going through Fantasy, which just makes this place such a nice place to walk around and enjoy with family and friends. And of course, up here, another deck for you to look and enjoy those mountain views. Go to professionalsfiji.com to learn more. Call us +679 999 2051. We look forward to seeing you soon. All right, Vinaka.